Welcome. In front of me is a Doogee S70, and today I'll show you how to insert SIM and SD card into this device. So to get started, we'll want to pop out the tray. So it's this thing right over here. So I'll just take that rubber out, and then you also need a SIM ejector like this one. They come provided with the device, so right in the corner, it's barely visible. If I move the light maybe. You can see that there's a tiny little hole right over here. So once you find it, push it in and the tray pops out a little bit, and then using your fingernail you can hopefully grab it and get it out. There we go. So once you take out the tray, you'll have space for either two different SIM cards or one SIM card and one SD card. Now if you're planning to use dual SIM, you'll just place one right here and then the other one obviously right here, but because I'm using one of each, I'll move that to the side and then place my SD card right here, like so. And from there you want to insert it back into the device. Now do it carefully, there's nothing holding those cards in place, so they could just kind of fall out of the tray when you're trying to insert them in there. Yep, there we go. Now if you can get it all the way to the end with your fingers, you can just kind of close it, and the rubber thing should just push it all the way as far as it needs. And as you can see, it's already working. The SIM card is requiring a pin, so quickly confirm that. So SIM card is obviously working, and I can see that SD card is working as well. It's giving a pop-up right here, new SD card detected. So that is how you would insert both SIM and SD into this phone. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.